భారత స్కౌట్ అండ్ గైడ్స్ సింగరేణి క్యాలరీస్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ అసోసియేషన్ రామగుండం ఏరియా ఆధ్వర్యంలో వరల్డ్ స్కార్ఫ్ డే దినోత్సవం పురస్కరించుకొని గోదావరిఖని పట్టణంలోని స్థానిక సెయింట్ పాల్స్ హై స్కూల్ నందు స్కౌట్స్ అండ్ గైడ్స్లకు ఇన్వెస్టిచర్ సెరమనీ కార్యక్రమం నిర్వహించడం జరిగింది. ఈ కార్యక్రమంకు ముఖ్య అతిథిగా ఎం రవీందర్ రెడ్డి, పర్సనల్ మేనేజర్ ఆర్జీవన్ కార్యక్రమంలో భాగంగా స్కౌట్స్ మరియు గైడ్స్లకు స్కార్ఫ్లు ధరింప చేశారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా వారు మాట్లాడారు.
Saudhan, andar Scouts and ravalanta. On my honor, I promise that I will do my best to do my duty to God and my country, to help other people and to obey the Scout law. Order. Go. Salute you, man. Salute.
Congratulations.
మేడం
Congratulations.
Very happy to celebrate this ceremony. I am wholeheartedly coming into Bharat Scouts and Guides. So I congratulate you, all age children. We are very happy to note that you are coming forward to join this voluntary organization, which doesn't give any job guarantee, but it is guaranteed that your discipline will be maintained while you are working in this organization, Scouts and Guides, and NSS also, and NCC also. These are the voluntary organizations which will mainly focus on the discipline. So as you are now learning stage, discipline is also very much important in your life. Although you learn curriculum in classrooms, your teachers will tell you so much lengthy books, you will get so much knowledge in your classes as per your curriculum, maybe 4th or 5th or 10th. But the discipline which gives a good colorful life in your career. Discipline means mere wearing the shoes and the dress and scarf doesn't give any purpose, but at the same way you also learn how to behave with your colleague, your neighbor, and in the society. Where society needs your service, you must be very ready to extend your hand. And I have seen in so many such occasions this Scouts and Guides volunteers, really a wonderful service really they are giving. As far as my knowledge, really I felt very happy. Even my Singarenians also, though they are employees, but they have really extended their selflessness and volunteer service, really they have extended. So all these are possible only with this Scouts and Guides only. So I wish you all the best in your future career, and maintain a small good and discipline which will also bring good name to your personal life or your parents and your school organization also. Thank you.